Hello everyone, good morning. No, good evening, good afternoon. Video ko guys, magkuan ko luto, 'di ba? Karon 25 dire. So Amerika maghimo sila na sila ilang lutoon, ilang tradisyon. Pero sa Pilipinas, akong pamilya dito, na sila gamay na duwa-duwa, na sila gamay pagkaon, na sila gamay pa-premyo. Pero dili man wala mi ana. So magluto lang ko, magluto ko og salad. Ako ipakita, di man ko kamao, pero I'll try my best. Mo na siya akong buhaton na salad guys. The colorful noodles, see? Colorful noodles. Ato nang ibutang dire, no? We put the noodles in here. This is the strainer. There you go. See mo na siya. Ta-da! Dako kaayo ang sudlanan. Ito. The salad needs to be cold before we mix everything. The noodles. Oh, rinse it in cold water. Sorry guys, I have to rinse it in cold water. I don't know what's going on. Alright guys, I show you also guys what my husband did. I just make a noodles and I will cook my crabs, and I will show you what he's making. That's what he's doing. He's making a, what is that, huh? Pumpkin pie, and what is apple pie, and what is the bottom? He's
ham and then the green bean casserole.
Ham and green beans casserole, and me just that one and this one. I don't know if they're gonna eat that noodles, but they don't eat this, but I'm gonna eat this. So this is a lot. I don't know what's cold. I didn't know that we have to wash it cold. I really don't know that we have to wash it. Oh! Oi!
You better mix the pot.
Ay, 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 guys. No good. Well, okay. No, we mix this one. There's the seasoning from the box of this, but I don't know what it is. It smells like something. It smells oregano. And I'm going to mix this one. Just the onion and the red pepper, guys. And then I'm going to get the mayonnaise. Nice. We forgot to put the, do we have to put the butter in it?
No.
Or milk? No.
That's good.
one with the milk. Want to swing? Need the water? Or need the milk? Huh?
No.
I don't know how to make the salad, guys. But what do you think? It looks like a salad or
That's good.
need the water?
No.
And milk.
No.
No?
Why do you need it? You want it dripping?
Green, orange. Where's the green? But if I overcook the noodles, they're gonna be mixed. Oh, the green is gone. If I overcook the noodles, guys, gonna be soggy, or the noodles gonna be broken. It's not looks like that. So I think that is enough. It's fine. Right? It's good, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification. Thank you for watching.